What is happening, people? This is Nathan. I am a coach at Precision Markets, and today I want to bring you through a quick trade recap on Euro USD, a trade I took today that resulted in 19R. So basically, we have been bearish on the daily, we're unconfirmed bearish on the 4 hour, and we've just turned bullish on the 15. And as you can see, we have a 4 hour demand zone down here. Price tapped into this 4 hour demand zone, and we got a change of character here on the 14-minute time frame. That resulted in giving us a demand zone which we could take a trade off of. Now, there was a beautiful trade this morning at the London Open at 8 a.m. Unfortunately, myself, I wasn't on the computer. However, a few people in our group did take this trade, which resulted in a lovely amount of orders on the way up. So for me, I was looking for an entry, a zone which I could trade from. So we started to make a new high here, and I decided to use this demand zone, this 15-minute demand zone, which flipped this supply and also created a new high as a point of interest. So if I go down to my 1 minute time frame, where I'll show you where my entry was, price came really nicely into my POI. Now, something I love to see right before price taps into my POI is some sort of liquidity or some sort of inducement to be swept. We had this nice trendline liquidity. Price came in, swept this trendline liquidity. It then gave me my entry criteria, which is a chalk and flip. Now, unfortunately, we had a flip zone here. Price did not tap into it. However, we decided to react to what we see on the chart, and that is getting in on the next flip, which was this one here. Price tagged in nicely and moved up quite bullish towards the upside. And I decided to scale in on a second trade. This one I market executed. And so looking left, going back to the 15-minute chart, if we look left, my first target was the 15-minute supply. And we did reach the 15-minute supply, and I decided to actually set my TP right above these equal highs here. And price went straight to them, tapped me out with 90% at 19R. It also went a little bit higher, but what we know is when price sweeps liquidity, there tends to be a pullback. So I had just set it right on top of this, which was great. It did pull back quite a bit, and yeah, so this was my trade recap from today. And hopefully we get some nice price action here on Euro USD. It has been quite rangy recently, but hopefully things do come along a little bit better in the coming days. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, keep smashing it.